What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man. With Constrictors in the building again. This one, I usually say quick video, but this one might not be that quick. I got 8 babies I want to go over. Just about all of them shit. I think it's 1 or 2 that didn't share yet, but I'm gonna get them all split up, try to sex them all, and put them in their individual tubs. Pairing on this one was the boy Thanos, so that's Crypton, double het for Ultra Male and Desert Ghost, and he was paired with a 100% het clown female. So we got a nice variety of stuff going on. So we'll get into that, man. First, big shout out to the homie Justin from My Animal House, man. If you ain't following him and Iron Dog got a live stream they do a couple times a week, and then him and his wife do it too. So big shout out to them, man. Again, that's My Animal House. If you ain't following them, go give them a follow, go check them out. But yeah, let's get into this update on these clutches, man. But first, before we do all that, y'all know what time it is, man. Hit that intro. Alright, so there go a look at the whole clutch right there. You can see how you got sheds and all kind of craziness. This one right here, if y'all ever see me get bit on TV on camera, it's gonna be that one right there. Straight up feisty. Alright, let's see what we got in here, man. We're gonna start out with what I think is just a normal right here. Well, it ain't gonna be normal. Everything is either gonna be everything is gonna be het clown or het cryptic, and then possible double het for Ultra Male and DG. So pretty nice little clutch if everything work out like it should. And I get some girls, but real nice example of a normal, man. It's real pretty clean, pretty nice, nothing spectacular. I don't know what het Ultra Male or het DG markers look like, if they are any. So nice little normal. Possible het for DG, Ultra Male, and then either cryptic or clown. All right, so right here we got another het clown or het cryptic, and then this is also going to be 50% het DG, 50% het Ultra Male, or both. And again, I don't know Ultra Male markers, I don't know DG markers, but this one got a little bit of a stretched out pattern towards the tail. And then a little bit of popcorning coming up right there. So I don't know what that means, but we'll see. So right there, het cryptic or het clown, possible het DG, possible het Ultra Male. Alright, and then this one haven't shared yet, so I ain't gonna handle him too much, him or her, but there we got another either het cryptic or het clown, possible double het Ultra Male DG. We'll get on some cocoa blocks and he'll share in the next day, maybe tonight. All right, and we hit a couple of clowns. For those that don't know, a Crypton is the allelic form of het cryptic and het clown. It expresses itself visually. We'll show you some cryptics after this, but this does 2 things. It proves the female out to be het clown, and it also gives me some clowns in my collection. So, and this clown is also possible double het for Ultra Male and DG, so it'll probably be staying here, especially if it's a girl. Look at her head stamp. Let's see if we can sex this one. I think this one's a boy. What do y'all think? Let me know. Oh yeah, definitely a boy. Male clown, possible head DG, possible head cryptic. I don't know if I'm gonna let these go. I don't know. We'll see. All right, next up is the other visual clown that we got. I actually like this one a little bit better, to be honest. The head stamp on that one. It's like a reverse question mark. I just like the tones, the colors better. Got this like rusty red inside the dorsal stripe. I hope this is a girl. Let's see if we can get. I like the white teardrops. Let's see if we can get a sex on this one. That's looking like a female. Let's try it again. Yeah, I'm gonna say a girl right there. Yeah, needed a girl. Nice little female clown. And again, she'll be 50% head DG, 50% head ultra male. So she definitely ain't going nowhere. All right, we can get into this Crypton stuff. And we'll start with this one since she wanna go for a tour. So as you see, it like is a combination of Cryptic and clown together in one snake. Like you can kind of see both influences, like the high whites coming up, the skinnier, crazy looking alien heads, blacker blacks. And the telltale marking for me is that neck stripe. Oops, ain't no camera. That neck stripe right there. And I'm sure it's gonna be on both sides. Let's see. Nope. Well, kinda. It's still kind of stretched out, but it's one of the telltale signs of a Crypton. And I know it's a Crypton, not a Cryptic, because it was clown in the pairing. See if we got a girl or a boy. Girl, please be a girl. Yeah, boy, that looked like a girl to me. Let me try that again. Should be still for me. Oh yeah, we got a girl. Even on camera. That's a female, so should definitely be staying here. And we got another Crypton up. This one's probably one of my favorites in the whole clutch right here. Again, that nice little maroonish blushing up on the sides. The alien heads are more squished, like her dad. Got the nice high white and the blushing coming up. A boy or a girl. Last but not least, y'all probably gonna see me. You hear she already hissing and everything. This one ain't no joke right here. Actually, I think this one's gonna be a boy. So I tried to sex them before they went in the shed, and if I'm not mistaken, this one's a boy. Dude's hissing at me and everything. Y'all probably can't hear, but yeah, that's a male. So that boy will be available. I think Rob, I believe, from KY Constrictors hit me up first and asked about him, so he'll be first on the list. After that, he can go to anybody. So, but man, that's a great example of the morph too. He gonna look just like his dad. Watch, nice, very, very nice. So yeah, that's it, man. I'm super excited about that clutch. If in case you ain't know, this is about as excited as you will ever see me. Like, I ain't a dude that like do cartwheels or nothing like that when I get excited, but I'm excited for this clutch. Everything happened just the way I expected it to. Everybody came out very nice and healthy. No kinks, no small eyes or tiny heads or nothing weird going on with anybody. So next thing is just to get them eating strong and get them established, man. I'm gonna move them over to the ARS and they're gonna settle in. At least all the females is. Like I said, the boys can go, except maybe that male clown. I'm probably gonna keep him. But all the males can go. So Rob, if you're watching, hit your boy up. Otherwise, I'm gonna hit you up once you get the meals in them and all that. Cause like I told you, you first on the list. So yeah, man. That being said, again, big shout out Crunch Gang. If y'all ain't messing with him, go mess with him, man. If y'all ain't messing with me, man. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading videos. They should be coming pretty fast and furious here over the next couple months. I still got 3 clutches in the incubator. Nothing major. Just proving out a couple genes. Like I got a possible calico that I want to see if she's calico, and then I got a banana that I think something else might be in them. So I'll just put them to normal to see what happens. So we'll see what's going on with that, man. But to the next time, y'all.